Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to share with you my DIY sunscreen recipe. This is my second year making this and I absolutely love it. It works wonderful, it's great for the skin, and I'll tell you, one batch lasts me the entire summer. It's that good. So for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Josephine Fusco. I am a professional makeup artist. I'm also a skincare educator and I love all things natural beauty, and I love sharing tips on here with all of you. So let's get into the recipe, because this is actually really easy to make, and with a few key products you're gonna be done in less than 5 minutes. So the first thing you want to start with is you're going to want coconut oil. So I put a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Now in theory you should have a double boiler, and I don't have that, so I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. You can put the ingredients in a Pyrex or anything that can handle heat very well. Then you're also going to want a 1/4 cup of shea butter, and you're also going to want a 1/2 cup of avocado oil. And this is it for the first step. Now what you're going to want to do after this is place it on top of a boiling, a semi-wet boiling pot of water, and let this melt down. And then when we're done, we're going to let this cool off. Okay, so I just want to show you guys, this is what it looks like when it's in the bowl. And now I have the water boiling up here. So I'm going to take this off, I'm going to shut the heat off, and then I'm gently going to place this on top. And it's just going to warm up and it's going to melt together. Alright, so this is completely melted down now, and what I'm going to do is take this off of the pot, use some pot holders or a cloth, and then I'm just going to let it cool down in the fridge for about an hour or two, and then we're going to do the next step. So now this is completely cooled off, and what I'm going to do is add in the non-nano zinc oxide. On my blog at glowandglam.net, I have 2 articles on sunscreens and the importance of using non-nano zinc oxide. I will link them down below so that you guys can check those out. And then I will put a complete blog post on this DIY sunscreen and explain a little bit more as well. So now the next step you want to do is apply the non-nano zinc oxides to this. It's going to make it like a creamy white texture. And I'm adding into here 2 tablespoons. And then all you have to do is just continue to mix it until everything dissolves. The next step that I'm going to do is add essential oils in. Now you don't have to do this, but I recommend it. And the ones that I use are from doTERRA, as you guys know if you've been following me for a while. So I'm going to go in with frankincense, lavender, and Hawaiian sandalwood. Some other options are lavender, peppermint, lavender and frankincense, but you really want to stay away from citrus oils in the summer, applying those topically, because those are photosensitive and you will get a reaction or get a sunburn when using citrus oils topically and sunbathing. I'm going to do 5 drops of each. You can do 5 to 10. You can mix it up however you like depending on the scent that you prefer. So for me, I like frankincense because it has wonderful benefits for the skin. It offers cellular repair, which is nice when you are taking the sun. I'm also going in with lavender because not only is it a great scent, but it's the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. And what happens with lavender, it's very soothing to the skin. So whether you're sunbathing or post-sun care, lavender is always a must-have. Hawaiian sandalwood has excellent benefits for the soothing of the skin as well, so I'm going in with 3 drops of those. Now what I'll do next is I'll transfer it to a glass jar. You can get a wide mouth glass jar. You can upcycle any jars that you like. This is just a little one that I have. I'm going to put it in for today. I'm going to make 2, one for me and one for my mom. But to make it easier for myself today, I'm going to just put it right into this so that I can transfer it right in nice and easy. And that is it. That is how I make my own DIY sunscreen that lasts me the entire spring-summer season. You can get the complete recipe on the blog. I'll link it down below. And you can also download my skincare guide below, which will give you some tips and tricks on things that I like to do for glowing skin. So thank you for tuning in today and watching this DIY sunscreen video. Be sure to check out my other videos and hop on over to the blog where I have some other information that I think you would find interesting when it comes to natural beauty. All right guys, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you all in my next video.